If you have a Samsung Smart TV and you can't find the App Store, this video is for you. Let's go. Step 1. Turn on your TV and go to the home screen. Press the home button on your Samsung remote. This opens the Smart Hub, your main dashboard for everything on your Samsung Smart TV. Step 2. Navigate to the Apps section. From the Smart Hub, use the arrow keys on your remote to find the Apps icon. On newer 2024 over 2025 models, you may not see a traditional App Store layout anymore. Samsung updated the interface, so don't panic if it looks different. Step 3. Use the search bar to find apps. On newer Samsung TVs, the best way to find apps is through the search icon. Scroll all the way to the left inside the Apps section. Type the name of the app you're looking for. Results will show you TV shows and apps together, so look specifically under the Apps section in the results. Step 4. Install your app. Select the app from the results, click Install or Download, and it will be added directly to your Smart Hub. Make sure your TV is connected to Wi-Fi and your firmware is up to date. Go to Settings, Support Software Update, otherwise the App Store may not appear at all.